Hi everyone, this is Sub. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If you don't like the auto-generated voice, you can change the language to English by clicking the gear icon in the bottom right corner. Today, I've got a super simple tip for you. Sometimes, when you're overwrapping the leather pieces, the stitching doesn't always come out right. It looks like it's stitched properly from the top, but when you flip it over, there are parts that aren't stitched at all, like this. On the top, it looks like some perfect, but flip it over, it's not. So it's not stitched like this. This usually happens because the pieces aren't aligned properly. Sure, you could leave a generous 10mm overlap, but if you want to keep a constant width while attaching both pieces of leather, here's what you can do. I prepared these pieces and first use masking tape. This piece will go on top and this one on the bottom. I will stick the masking tape on the bottom piece to mark where the glue will go. This way, when you attach the top piece like this, it's much easier to align them perfectly. Second, use a ruler like this. If some masking tape might damage your leather or if you don't have any, place a ruler in a straight line and use it as a guide while attaching the pieces. This also helps to keep everything in line. These tips might seem small, but knowing them can save you from having to redo your stitching and gluing. Thanks to everyone who supported me through memberships. I'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.